Oh hey everyone, how are you all doing? Louis Vlogs and Games here. Welcome back to another new vlog, a new one as well, coming to you from the Anglian capital of Norwich. We've been to a lot of cities recently, Birmingham, York, been to Cardiff recently, and now here we are in Norwich. So today, this was a 10-minute booking before we actually started off doing this vlog. The reason why we're here at Norwich today because we've got Hollywood bowling booked. I know we do it a lot of times, but we've done 5 in Rubery, 1 at the NEC Resorts World, and if I can't do a Hollywood bowl vlog from the Mary Hill, let's go down to Norwich and do one hit there. So let's go down to Hollywood Bowl right now. So welcome to Norwich, another major city in the UK we've been to, and nothing much to expect when we come out of the car park, as this will lead us straight onto the high street where we can also spot a Pizza Hut. And if we just go a little bit further up, we should be able to see Hollywood Bowl inside. You can see the arcade. So let's get ourselves inside Hollywood Bowl, get our game booked, and we will start bowling. So whilst we get our game ready, we may as well have one round of Pac-Man Smash Air Hockey, where me and Lauren are on a team versus Mr. Seagull and Little Milo. It got a lot chaotic on the second round and the scores could not get anywhere close. After the whistle was blown, the final scores are in, and unfortunately, us team has sadly lost by just 100 points. We shall return to the arcades after we finish our game of bowling, which is now ready to be set up, and it is at lane number 8. That's a nice image right there. But anyways, our game of bowling has just started, so let's see who can knock down the most pins. And one thing that I really like about this bowling alley is the LED lighting on the bumpers. It looks so colourful, doesn't it? I did start off with a rubbish throw at the start, but the second one though, that was a good pickup.
Nice shot, Lauren. Close.
Like slimmering balls.
None of us seen how Marlo throws his balls. Well, that's how he does it. He almost trips over himself there. No. Well, we've just seen the first strike from Alan, which is going to be a bit of a problem for me because he's going to get further into the lead and I have to stop him from winning now.
One again.
That was almost another strike, but for this one, I thought I've got it, but the pin behind it and fancy knocking itself over. Well, at least it's not Lowen who's constantly knocking down one pin on the first go of his turn, but it's also Alan as well who's just done that. And now it's back to Lowen. Surely not, he cannot get another one. Oh, actually, I got a ball for the first time. What a surprise.
Skill issue.
Lowen cannot be getting any more gutters or ones, as this would cost him the entire game, but luckily he managed to get some pins down on that particular throw. And Marlo almost tripped himself over again, but he did manage to get quite a lot of pins down there. A spare opportunity here, but it didn't fancy knocking down today. I was lucky enough to pick up another spare on that turn there, and now let's see how Marlo's going to do it. Is he going to do another stupid roll?
Hey, oh, what the hell happened there?
Like that, and he trips over. Official. We are now down to the 10th and final frame. It's all to play for now. And there we have it. The final scores are in, and I managed to beat the lot once again, but with a total of only 100. I could have done better, but there's the final scores. So, that is our bowling game finished, and we're not finished with Hollywood Bowl just yet because we're going to play on a bit of arcades before we head to our restaurant we're going to eat at tonight. And I thought of starting off by playing a bit of Crossy Road. It's not often I see these arcades around here, so I thought I'd give it another shot. Then we move on to basketball, and it's a different generation of basketball, being a Pac-Man version of it. And there we have it. We are all finished with the arcades. Now, shall we go and get some food?
Well, there we have it. Hollywood Bowl's finished. And I'm feeling rather hungry now. And, oh, what's that over there?
We do love a Nando's, don't we? And opposite the Hollywood Bowl, we should be able to find one of them, a Nando's to eat in tonight. So let's go inside, get our table booked, and eat some food. So we may as well open up the menu and see what food we should be having tonight. And I think I know what I'm going to be having already, a chicken burger. Let's see what the brothers want.
Chips, halloumi fries, chicken burger, extra spicy.
So in the meantime, whilst the food is being prepared, we might as well play a couple of rounds of Uno. And this is the part I'm only down to one card left with a yellow 8. Let's see if I can win with that. And there we go. After that winning game, the food has arrived. Lowen and Marlo with their chips, chicken burger, etc. Whilst I get a couple of chips, a longer chicken burger, and some garlic bread. So we may as well try out the food now and see if it's very delicious indeed. And with that extra spice, my mouth was burning. Good thing I brought some water.
This is amazing. Definitely try it.
So that's it from Norwich. We just finished having our Nando's, so let's end off the video now, back in the car. Well, there we have it. That is our entire week over here in East Anglia, finishing our holiday in Caister-on-Sea, Great Yarmouth, and spending the day out in Norwich doing a bit of bowling and having some Nando's. That was nice. But unfortunately though, we'll have to head back to the Midlands now, which is a shame really, as we really enjoyed ourselves. So we may as well say thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you all enjoyed, and if you want to see more content like this, make sure to do like and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for the next vlog, because we're going to be off to Wolverhampton to go see the Grand Slam of Darts. We had that on book for quite a long time now. It's a birthday gift, and we'll be going there in the next week or two. So thanks for watching you lot, and we'll see you all in the next one. Till next time, bye guys, see ya.